Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdul Qadir and today I'm going to explain you how we can scrape a lead generations data by using n8n workflow. So before we jump onto our workflow, I will give you a short intro about n8n. Basically, n8n is an automation tool by which we create an agent which turns complex manual tasks into automated workflows. You can see here these are the rectangle boxes, we call it as node. These are the building blocks of n8n workflow, and they perform actions like sending and fetching data and create draft emails and so on. Let's start with our workflow. So there is first node is webhook. So what it will do, actually it is start our workflow, or we can say that it start our execution of workflow. So here we come to the near our Google sheet. So actually when our workflow extract data and then it will append into this sheet. So here is a start button. So actually by webhook I can integrate this start button. So when we click on this button here, then our workflow will be start. So how I can integrate this button? So first of all, when I come to this button, so as you see this is the URL. So we can copy this URL and we come to this Excel sheet, and here as you can see, here's the app script. When you open this app scripts, so okay, so this is the manuscript which integrated with our webhook. So this is the script responsible when we create on the button, and it will execute our workflow. Here is a URL of our webhook, we paste here, and then we deploy, and we can save this script and back to our sheet. After the webhook node, there is edit field node. So in edit field we have parameters to put in. So like there is industry ID. Industry ID means you want to select health and fitness or real estate and so on. After that we put here the leads type, like it should be the CEO or it will be the contractor or manager, and so whatever. So and after that we put here the locations according to requirements, and then there is a number of records. So in one cycle of when we execute our workflow, in one cycle it extracts 500 leads. Okay, so after put these parameters in edit field node, after that it inject into the HTTP request URL. So how HTTP request perform? So actually we get data from another source applications. For that we use HTTP request node. So let's suppose in HTTP request node, here we use the URL of API. So actually in API there are many actors which scrape leads data. So here I use Apollo because it's amazing and its scraping quality of data, it's very nice. For this reason I use Apollo scraper here. So you can come to our workflow. So this is our JSON response of Apollo vector. Here we use it. So as you see, these are the HTTP, these are the URL. Here you can see clear, these are the URL. So I put parameters in our previous node in edit field. So these parameters automatically injected here without you input over here, because here is format just confused, means little complex. So this is why I use edit field. We put the parameters here and automatically inject here. So now it's responsible for scraping data by Apollo actor. After that I put here wait node. So actually when bunch of data appended into the Excel sheets, so sometimes we get error. So this is why I use here wait node. So after that here the appended row sheet. So actually you can see, so actually these are the parameters that our Apollo scraper gave us. So it is scrape first name, last name, email, person email, LinkedIn URL, organization name, and so many other parameters it will give us. So we select only, let's suppose, okay, I need first name, last name, email, okay, title, headline, LinkedIn URL, and any other organizations information. So we keep only those parameters as we require, and we put here in our Excel sheet. As you see, I already first defined the Excel sheet. We want these parameters. Okay, so after that I also select in n8n workflow same parameters. After saving this node, there's another notepad, and then there's another sheet. So actually this is our outreach sheet, and I also put name and email here, and then there is another workflow which send emails to these leads. Okay, but for now I will, you can skip here because I will make another video on this workflow which sends emails to the leads. Okay, so now come back to the leads sheet and our here workflow. So now I explain you whole workflow. Now I start. Okay, let us start. Now you can, okay, successfully script for start. So here you can, okay, we can check is that workflow running or not. So we come here execution. Here you can check this workflow running. So it will take times at 3 to 4 minutes. When we check our sheet, we will have data. As you can see our sheet, so here it scrapes the data. You can see here. For today I think it's enough. So thank you.